Hi there, Silver Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya. So today we will be talking about the best face moisturizer. Okay, so this is winter time, and if you do have dry skin like me, you need to moisturize your face. So, and especially when you travel, the hair suck all the moisturize, everything that you put it in your face inside the plane, it suck it up, and then your skin get dry. So here we go. It's almost inevitable when you are traveling, your skin dries out. Luckily, there is an easy solution for that. Packing some moisturizer will do wonder for your skin while you are away. I recommend packing it in your carry-on so you can use it while flying, because there is something about the recycled airplane hair that seems to suck every ounce of moisturize out of your skin. So here are some top moisturizing lotion: fresh rose and hyaluronic acid deep hydration moisturizer. We often get caught up in the moment while on vacation, and our beauty routine can fall to the wayside. Moisturizer from Fresh is one of the best face moisturizer out there, and will last you, guess what, ladies and gentlemen, 72 hours, which is 3 days. So even if you forgot to moisturize for a day or two, it won't be the end of the world. Not only does it have time release technology to keep your skin hydrated over 72 hours, but it also provides immediate hydration. Olay Regenerist cream, this one is a well-known one, a classic when it comes to face cream. Olay Regenerist is chock full of ingredients like carbo extra and the micro sculpting cream that will remove dead skin cells and give you firmer, younger looking skin. The perfect no-nonsense basic moisturizer, no matter what skin type you have. Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask. The name of this moisturizing mask said it all. We can all look a bit haggard when we travel to a new time zone, so stay refreshed with a jet lag mask from Summer Friday. Don't be deterred by the term mask. There is no need to wash it off. Simply apply and let it do its work. No need to rinse it off. Another well-known tool is the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. We love products that let us combine 2 in 1, and this moisturizing lotion from CeraVe is the perfect blend for moisturizer and sun protection. Simply apply to your face before heading out for the day, and you won't have to worry about putting on sunscreen after the fact, which is ideal when you are on vacation and the weather may change at any moment. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Acid Moisturize. Has your skin ever felt so dry you feel like you need to drench it in moisturizer? Look no further than water-drench hyaluronic acid moisturizer. The name says it all. Made of 30% hyaluronic acid complex to keep your skin looking fresh, and patavitin, which will provide up to 72 hours of hydration, making the perfect combination for your skin while traveling. Lazy Day all-in-one Moisturize pad. After a long day of sightseeing, sometimes the last thing you want to do is your daily skincare routine. This all-in-one Moisturize pad from Lazy Day are the answer to your skin prayer. Whether you have oily, normal, or dry skin, these pads are perfect for you, vegan, cruelty-free, and filled with ingredients that will refresh and revitalize. These pads are like a toner, essence, and moisturizer all in one. So you won't have to worry about bringing 3 different products while on the road. Another well-known, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's probably impossible to talk about skin without mentioning Neutrogena. The Hydro Boost does just that. Give your skin a nice boost when you need it most. The gel moisturizer formula absorbs quickly and lock in moisturize, and is oil-free, dye-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for all skin type. La Mer, the moisturizing soft cream. If you want to splurge, this one is a little bit higher. This moisturizing cream, formulated with miracle broth and lime tea extra, will leave your skin hydrated, vigorous, and feeling younger than it was before. Its lightweight formula is easy to apply and will keep your skin refreshed. So here you have it for all the moisturizer that you need to keep your skin looking younger and wrinkle-free. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Again, this is Aya, and I will be back with another topic. Bye-bye. Be safe.